Well, he can add another championship to his resume, and that is Eli Tomac is the 2024 450 or SX1, whatever you want to call it, class world champion of the World Supercross series of this year. Wow, I just said it really weird. And I saw this coming. I mean, the one race he did, the wild card or whatever you want, fill in race he did the other year, he won easily. He looked like he was going to just dominate that series if he did the whole series, but it was a one card race and he decided, yep, I'm not going to this one. Roxon ended up winning, and now this year he's proved, well, he is just the fastest person in that series. Uh, it's kind of funny because as I'm recording this, I'm watching it, but I already know the results because it's come out already, and live plus replay. It's a very strange series, like very strange televised series. You shouldn't know who won before it's even been televised in some places of the world. It's a very weird thing. I understand Abu Dhabi is a very different time frame than where I am, but you gotta say congrats to Eli Tomac. Obviously, he's getting older, but still very competitive. And stuff like this, where it's a short series, it's off season, still keeps you kind of well. Obviously, it still keeps you in shape, and probably has a pretty good paycheck if you're going to be the winner of it. I mean, obviously, you're doing that to win titles, win money, or not win money, but get paid money and show that you are still one of the best. And he definitely is one of the best. There is no doubting that. I mean, obviously, he's getting older and closer to the sad retirement age. A lot of these guys are Roxon and Tomac, who are both racing in this, are getting towards that part of how many years are they going to continue racing. And also, how long are they going to continue racing, especially Supercross, when they're racing Jet Lawrence, who's winning every single round? And if you're not winning titles and you're not winning races, what's the point of really being around other than just collecting a check? Now, I don't think Tomac is one of those people that just is there for the money. I think he actually is a competitor and wants to win, but it's going to be, how long do you want to just collect money but not actually win anything? And stuff like this going around, you see a lot of guys retire from full-time racing in the motocross supercross series and do, the AUS-X or the Australian series, which is shorter, or the World Supercross series, which is obviously shorter. You don't have to do or put as much effort and time into it. It's not a whole year thing. It's 3, 4 rounds and then whatever, we're done. But I don't know. The question is too, do you guys like the Supercross or World Supercross format of 3 races, 8 laps each, shorter, kind of like the Triple Crown that we or Supercross runs, what, 2 or 3 times a year? You get more racing, more impactful racing. You don't have, you know, qualifying and then the the chaos that is the LCQ, where everything, like all 3 of these races matter points wise. I think if I remember correctly, he ended up like 94 points and Roxon had 97. So he still ended up with enough points to win overall. And I think it was good racing. I mean, the track looked okay. Obviously, there's a lot of grip issues with that much sand. And if you're running the scoop or the knobby tires, but I mean, whatever. Either way, congrats to Yamaha for another title. Congrats to Eli Tomac for another title. It's a good year all around. And whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Did you like this year? Did you want somebody else to win? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.